In this lecture, we will learn about the different operators supported in regex. As we learned earlier in this section, there are 12 operators, or special characters, that regex recognizes and assigns special meaning to. Let's go through each of these, what they do, and look at an example of using them in the Regex 101 Regex Engine, the free online tool that we have been using to assemble and run regular expressions so far in this section. As we learned previously in the course, the / character is used to escape text. It is the escape character. When we want to show that the character that comes after it is a special character with special meaning, we use the / character. For example, the character D alone does not hold significant meaning. However, when we add a / in front of it, it is used to match any digit character. Inside of the example string text box in the Regex 101 interface, we will add an example string ABC123. Then we can add a /D to the input field as our regex. As you can see, this expression matches all of the digit characters. The caret operator allows us to make a selection based on the start of the string. Let's say we want to select a string if it starts with the letter A. We can use the expression caret A and then type in the example string ABC. It will be selected since we use the caret operator with the character A, and this string starts with the letter A. The caret also allows us to specify characters that we want to exclude from the selection. To do this, we also need to use square brackets with the caret inside of them. For example, if we wanted to exclude all of the 26 letters in the alphabet, we could add the following regular expression, which basically says do not select any letters. If we have a string that has numbers and letters in the example string text box, notice that all of the numbers are selected, the letters are not. We can also do the opposite of this. We can change the regex to be numbers 1 through 9 so that all of the digits are excluded. Notice that now all of the letters in our sample string are selected and the digits are excluded from the selection. To get the same effect with a different regular expression, we can use the /D character we learned about a few moments ago inside of the brackets. When combined with the caret operator, this has the same effect, excluding all of the digits from our selection. The $ character in a regular expression will allow us to select a string based on its ending. The pattern that we specify will be compared to the end of the input string. If it is a match, the string will be selected. Else, the string will not be selected. For example, we will use the following pattern. Let's break down what this means. ** will match any character. We use this expression to mean that the start of this string can literally be anything. Then def is the sequence of characters for the end of the string. To let the computer know that we only want to select strings with the ending def, we use the $. To see this expression in action, let's use it on the example string ABCDEF. As you will notice, the string is selected since it ends with def. If we change the characters in the regular expression to ABC, notice that the string is not selected. This is because ABC comes at the start of the string, not the end. The dot is used to match any character with one exception, the new line. The dot will not select a new line, but it will select any other character. For example, we will use the dot as our regular expression. Then we can type in any string, for example, apple. Notice that it matches each character in the string we typed in. The vertical bar is used to perform a conditional OR. We can use this operator to chain together regex patterns, meaning select any character that matches a pattern or another pattern. For example, we can specify the expression A or B, which tells the regex engine to select any occurrence of the character A and any occurrence of the character B. Notice if we type in the example string ABC, the A and the B were selected, but the C was not. The question mark lets us select any string that matches 0 or 1 occurrence of the pattern. For example, we will use the following example pattern. Notice that this pattern will match the example strings A apple and N apple, but will not match an apple. This is because only 0 or 1 N character is allowed, and this non-matching example uses 2 N characters. The asterisk lets us select anything that matches 0 or more occurrences of the pattern. For example, let's use the expression A*B. This will match the string B, since A can occur 0 or more times before the string B. It will also match AB and AAB. The plus sign lets us select any string that contains one or more occurrences of the specified pattern. Unlike the last example, A plus B will not match the example string B. The plus sign needs at least one occurrence of A in the pattern to work in this case. However, it matches the strings AB and AAB. Brackets are used for character matching. If a string has any characters that are inside of the brackets, those characters are selected. As we learned earlier in this video, the brackets can be combined with the caret operator to tell the computer the character that should be excluded from a selection. The pattern ABC inside of square brackets lets us select any occurrence of A, B, or C inside of a string. Parentheses work similar to brackets, but the whole expression in the parentheses needs to be matched or else the string will not be selected. So if we have ABC inside of parentheses, then only occurrences of the entire pattern ABC will be selected. Note that individual A's, B's, and C's will not be selected. In the next lecture, we will learn about regular expression objects in Python.